Here are 5 facts why commerce students are smarter than science students. 1. Applied real-world mastery. Commerce students often excel in applying theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios, navigating complex market trends and financial models with practical acumen. 2. Multidimensional expertise. Their intelligence shines through in their ability to seamlessly integrate economics, marketing, communication, and business strategy, showcasing a versatile and multifaceted skill set. 3. Economic insight. Commerce students possess a deep understanding of economic principles, enabling them to decipher global markets, predict trends, and strategize for success amidst economic uncertainty. 4. Pragmatic decision makers. With an innate business sense, they exhibit sharp decision-making skills, analyzing risks and rewards to drive businesses forward and make impactful choices. 5. Interpersonal brilliance. Their intelligence extends beyond numbers, encompassing effective interpersonal skills, networking prowess, and the capacity to build strong connections that foster professional growth. Remember, both commerce and science students contribute significantly to various fields, and intelligence manifests differently across disciplines. This comparison is meant to be light-hearted and not to diminish the value of any field of study.